Good morning, friends. Now we want to start one more new chapter, that is chapter number 11. In chapter number 11, we want to discuss related with the name of a chapter is mensuration. Chapter number is 11. So in this, we have to discuss about the closed plane figure. We want to discuss about the closed plane figure. So mostly we have discussed in earlier chapter that which are the closed plane figure. So that we can say rectangle, triangle, rectangle, circle, square. These are all the related with the closed plane figure. What is the relation with the definition of closed plane figure? We know that we start from, we can say it's a closed plane figure. We can say it is a closed plane figure. We can say it is a closed plane figure. We can say it is a closed plane figure. We can say it's a closed plane figure. So these are all the closed plane figure. We want to discuss related with the perimeter and area. So definition of perimeter. Now definition of perimeter. So definition of perimeter is the distance around its boundary. Distance around its boundary, we can say perimeter. Distance around its boundary. So from here we can say it's a perimeter. Now area is a region covered by it. Area is a region covered by it. So we want to discuss such figures at here. We have also learned about the area of pathway border related rectangular shape. We also learned something surface area and volume of solids such as cube, cuboid and cylinder. These are all the three dimensions. We can say solid is in 3 dimensions. So we discuss now deeply. Everyone should give me the answer of it. What is the perimeter of given rectangular? A, B, C and D. Now find out the perimeter of rectangle. Everyone give me answer now. Do it fastly. So how many has get a perimeter of rectangle? Know the perimeter of rectangle formula? That is 2 into L plus B. So here 30 and 20. So 2 into 30 plus 20. So 30 plus 20, that is 50. 50 into 2, that is 100 meter. That is a perimeter. So if someone asks what is the perimeter, so we can say here 100 is a perimeter of a park. The park is in form of rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle, that is 100 meter. Now we go for area, that is called region. Now here it is a perimeter formula. Now region, area, that is L multiplied by B. That is 30 into 20. That is 600 meter square. Remember that area has a unit meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square. While perimeter is a unit meter, centimeter and kilometer. So now we go for inside deeply. First of all, still we are doing some more sums related to it. Now area we have got area we have get 600 meter square. Perimeter we have get 100 meter. Now question is 1.1 meter. Here 1 meter, here 1 meter, here 1 meter. Now here it is a park. Now what is the area of park if I want to find out, or what is the perimeter of park? Then what I have to do? So length of park is 30. Here again 1, here again minus 2. That is 28. Breadth of park 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 minus 1, that is 20 minus 2, that is 18. So B is equal to 18 and L is equal to 28. That is the length and breadth of park. So length is equal to 28 meter and breadth is equal to 18 meter. Now if I want to find out the perimeter or area, then I have to multiply by it. Clear everyone or not? Now try to solve the formulas that we have to discuss at here. I hope that you have to find out. Here it is a diagram, here it is shape, here it is area. Find out of it. So everyone multiply, get it? Here it is a rectangle, here it is a square, here it is a triangle, parallelogram, circle. Now area of rectangle. Anyone know where is the area of rectangle? A into, can we say area of rectangle? A into B. Now square, what is the 4 square? A into A. Triangle, half into base into height. Parallelogram, base into height. And circle, that is pi r square. So you have to draw this compulsory all this figure, write the shape of it and write the area, correct area. So what is the correct area? I have to write it here. Now correct area. What is the correct area? That is A into B. What is the correct area? A into A. What is the correct area? Half into B into H. What is the correct area? B into H only. And what is the correct area? Pi B square. So I have written it all the formula which is correct with it. I have written all the formula which is correct with it. Now we have to find out the perimeter of it. Now it is easy. If I want to find out the perimeter of each, it is easy. Here, can you write the expression for the perimeter of each of the following shape? So now we are writing at here perimeter. So in perimeter we know that 2a plus b. Here perimeter of square, that is 4 into a. Here perimeter is sum of 3 sides. Here perimeter b is at again here b, a is again here a. So it is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Area of perimeter of parallelogram and perimeter of rectangle. Now here we have to write 2 into pi into b. Because circle with radius b, so we have to write 2 pi b. Here sum of 3 sides. Sum of 3 sides. If I will name of a side is A, B and C, or AB plus BC plus AC. So important 1, 2 and 3 formula related with the perimeter. A sum of side, that is called perimeter of triangle ABC. So now write this the correct formula. Now we want to go for the sum of it. Now we go for question is try this. So how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sums are there. So anyhow I have to complete this 5 sum and then compare with it that we can get correct answer or not. Here with the respected areas and here with the respected perimeter. So first of all, here it is a rectangle. We are discussed with the area. So area of rectangle that is L into B, that is 14 into 7. 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 1s are 7 plus 2, 98 centimeter square. That is the first. Now second, that is circle. First is now second, area of here half, so we can say semicircle. Area of half we can say semicircle. So 1 by 2 pi r square. So 1 by 2 pi, that is 22 by 7. R, here it is radius, that is given 7 into 7. This 7 7 cut 2 11s are. So answer is 77 centimeter square. Now third figure, 7 into 14. Now that is area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is area of triangle. We know that half into B into H, that is base into height. Now what is the base? So base is at here 14. What is the height? That is 7. So 2 7s are, so 7 7s are 49 centimeter square. So first three we get answer, that is, see now, match the following figure with the respective areas in the board. So already I have cleared area of rectangle, area of semicircle, area of triangle. Area of rectangle L into B, that is 14 into 7 98. Area of semicircle half pi r square, that is 1 by 2 pi r, value of pi that we have to 22 by 7. And area of rectangle, that is half into base into height. Clear everyone? Again this sum is here, it is same with it. Now only one sum is remained, that is area of square. Fourth, that is area of square. Area of square. So in area of square, we have to write side into side or A into A. That is 7 into 7. That is 49 centimeter square. 49 centimeter square. So A into A. So 7 into 7, that is 49 centimeter square. So write down all, here it is equal to this figure. So area is same. So four areas are given, 49, 77, 98. You will see that every time we can get one time 98 centimeter square, another time 77 centimeter square, another time 49 centimeter square, another time 49 centimeter square. So now we go for perimeter, that is really with the area. Again say, what is the formula of it? Here, rectangle, semicircle, triangle, rectangle, square. So first of all five figures is related with the closed figure. Now we want to find out the perimeter of it. Then, can anyone solve the perimeter of it? Anyone want to try the perimeter of all 5? If you try it yourself, it is good. So, what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. Okay, I hope you have written it. Now we discuss on perimeter. Now try to write the first formula. So perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Try to write yourself now. Then I will write it again. Now perimeter of semicircle or circumference of circle, we can say perimeter of semicircle. Afterward, third, perimeter of triangle. Again fourth, perimeter of rectangle. And perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Write first all these formula, then try to solve the sum. You will get 100% answer. Now perimeter of rectangle formula, anyone know? Or anyone want to say? Yes. Oh, very good. 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of semicircle. Here that is called 2r. Half, that is called pi r. So 2r plus pi r. Here sum of 3 sides. Sum of 3 sides. And here again 2L plus B. And here 4 into side. So now perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of semicircle, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. All 4 formulas I have written. Now find out 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to find out the perimeter of each because values are given. Who will give me the answer of first? Who will give me answer of first? Who will give second, third, fourth and fifth? So first answer is 2 into L plus B. So 14 plus 7, that is 2 into 21, that is 42. 42 centimeter is the answer. We cannot write the unit of perimeter as a square. We have to write the unit is always unit, not a unit square. Now here 2 into r. What is r? 7. Plus pi into r. Pi 22 by 7 into r 7. This 7 cut. 7 2s are 40 plus 22, that is 36 centimeter. Here only sum of 3 sides, that is 9 plus 11 plus 14. So 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9, that is 34 centimeter. Again 2L plus B, here it is same everything. So first related answer is there 42 centimeter. Last answer is 4 into 7, that is 28 centimeter. So all four I have, we have tried this, but already I have solved everything, that is B and A both I have completed. Now anyhow you have to write this in your rough now. I that hope you have written it. Everyone written or not this? Then we go for further. Now the easy sum, first of all we have to see which sums are easy, that we have to simplify. So only 5 sums are there. Out of 5 we can discuss any 2 sum at here. So I hope that we have to discuss first and second. Now try to solve the first sum. Who will the explanation of it give me? Chalo, exercise 11.1 question number 1 we are discussing at here. A square and a rectangle filled with the measurement are given in the figure. So here 2 figures are there. One is square, here it is a square, and here it is a rectangle. Now a square and rectangle filled with measurement are given in figure have the same perimeter. So both perimeter are same. Which field has larger area? Perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of square is 4. Perimeter of square formula is, again I write again, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Now we know the formula for perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by side. Here we know the formula 2 into L plus B. Now here side is given as a 60 meter. And rectangle here length is given as 80 meter. So 4 into 60, 2 into L, that is given as 80, but breadth is not given, that we have to find. Now if I multiply here, we can get 240. If I open the bracket, I will get 160 plus 2b. So 240 minus 160 is equal to 2b. 240 minus 160, that is 80, is equal to 2b. Therefore breadth is equal to 80 divided by 2, that is 40 meter. Now again I explain, it's not a easy sum. Here relation is given. What is the relation given at here? Perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of square, that is 4 into side. perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 in bracket L plus B. So 4 into side, that is 4 into 60. 2L plus B, 2 in bracket 80 plus B. 60 into 4, that is 240. 80 into 2, that is 160. 2 into B, that is 2B. Now constant term is there 160, so I have to shift it. So 240 minus 160, that is 80. So 80 is equal to 2B. So B is equal to 80 by 2. So B is equal to 40 meter. That is sufficient. Now it is correct or not, how we can check? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out area also. Now for checking purpose, I have to get 240 anyhow. So if I will put it here, 40, 42 is 80. 160 plus 160, that is 80. 160 plus 80, that is 250. Now what we have to find out? Area. Area of square, we know, that is side into side. So we can easily get answer 60. Area of square, that is side square. So 60 whole to square, that is 3600 centimeter, meter square. Now to find out the area of rectangle, that is L into B. So already L we know, 80 and B we can do 40. So 80 multiplied by 40, 8 4 are 32. So 3200 meter square. So area at here 3600 and here it is 3200 meter square. Here meter square. Write it now and check that answer is correct or not. If you will see properly, answer is correct. Now we do something. Which sum we have to do now? We have to read that which is easy for us. Cosec has a square plot with measurement shown in figure. C want to construct a house in the middle. A garden is developed around the house. Find the cost of developing the garden around house at the rate of. So what is the formula? What the sum is? It's not an easy sum. So again, first we have to set the screen and then we discuss. Okay. Now we want to discuss. Cosec has a square plot with measurement AC. Want to construct a house in the middle of the garden plot. A garden is developed around the house. So we have to find out the area of house, area of garden. So first off, we have to find out the area of plot. So what is the area of plot? Area of plot. It's a rectangle. So we can say it's a area. You will see that here it is 25. Again here it is 25. The area of plot, that is square. So 25. Area of plot is equal to area of square, that is side square. What is side is at here? 25 square. So 625. That is area of plot, 625 meter square. Now area of house. Area of house. Again house is a rectangle. If you will see properly, house is a rectangle, 20 and 15. So area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle, we know that L multiplied by B. So area of rectangle is given, that is length into breadth. that is 20 into 15. So 20 multiplied by 15, that is 300 meter square. So area of house is 300 meter square. Area of plot is 625 meter square. What we have to find out? The area of garden. So area of garden now. Area of garden. How we can find out the area of garden? Area of square plot. Area of square plot minus area of rectangle house. Area of rectangle house. Now area of square plot, that is 625, minus area of rectangle house, that is 300. So 325 meter square, that is the area of garden. We have to find out the garden. Here house is in form of 20 into 15, plot is 25 into 25, and we have to find out the garden. So area of garden is 325. Now what is the cost of developing the garden at the rate of 55 per meter square? Now it is called costing. In costing, 1 meter square, how much rupees is given? That is 55. Therefore, how much meters are there? 325 meters square is equal to 325 multiplied by 55. That you have to do. So 325 multiplied by 55. 5 5 is 25. 2. 5 is 10. 12. 1. 5 is 15. 16. Again 5 is 15. Carry 1. 5 is 10. 11. Carry 1. 15. 1. Again I rub everything, and then here again cross. 5 is 25, 2, 5 is 10, so again 5, 2, 6 and 1. So 5, 7, 8, 7, 1. So 17875 rupees they have to pay. So question, I again say to you, check your answer. Again explain. Someone don't know, so what, how we get the answer. Then again I explain everything. Okay. What is the, find the cost of developing the garden. First write it down. So area of plot, that is area of square, that is side square, that is 25 square, 625. Area of house, that is area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 300. Area of garden, that is area of square plot minus area of rectangle, that is 625 minus 300, that is 325. And 1 meter square is equal to 55 costing. 325 meter square is equal to this. So that is sufficient. You have to complete that in your first, do it in rough book. Then we go for the fair book. So now in next lecture we have to discuss about the question number 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5, only 3 questions are remaining. Afterward we have to go for the area of trapezium, and then we discuss about the it. So thank you for it.